A first of its kind for a prosecutor's office in California, the LA District Attorney's Office created a new mental health division aimed at helping people living with mental illness in the criminal justice system. And CBS 2's Dave Lopez has more on this.
Really, the goal is to get treatment before they end up, before someone has to call the police. That really is the goal.
It's a lofty goal. Some may say an impossible one. But today, LA District Attorney Jackie Lacey, flanked by law enforcement, judges, and members of the Board of Supervisors, said her office is up to the challenge thanks to a unique program she's established today.
Today, I'm proud to announce the establishment of the Mental Health Division within the DA's office.
It will be the job of 12 district attorneys to look at cases involving defendants who have been declared incompetent to stand trial or to see if they truly belong in county jail or some type of mental hospital.
We are not talking about releasing people who have hurt someone or who have indicators that they are a danger to the public.
She said currently there are 4,000 inmates in the county jail who suffer some type of mental illness.
Yeah.
Devon Hall was one of them. High school football star at Reseda, played in the NFL for a number of teams. He was accused of beating his mother to death. Now he's in a mental hospital. Then there's a case of Charlie Kunang. Everyone called him Africa. In and out of county jail. His family said he suffered from mental illness. And then in March of 2015, homeless on Skid Row, got into an altercation with a police officer, was shot and killed. The family received nearly $2 million in a wrongful death suit. Just two examples of this mammoth problem. People with mental illness who are in county jail or who were.
Well, right now there are not enough beds, and that has been the problem.
And that's why the county, working with the state, will try to change that. Everyone in this room agreed. The time for this is long overdue. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, CBS 2 News.